So I know I saw your videos when you were calling out to the UN, the United Nations, to come to the aid of Nigerian Christians being slaughtered by Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram terrorists.
Yes.
So I was very interested in that, and I just wanted to know how things are going.
Okay, the truth is that things are not going better. Things are not going better. Since 2009, Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen start slaughtering people in Nigeria. Since then till today, things are not better. Every day by day, worse. So nothing like change. Every day, worse. So that is it. That's how we see ourselves in Nigeria.
Yeah. As an American Christian, I'm kind of watching what's going on. So, since the killings of Christians by Fulani herdsmen terrorists and Boko Haram terrorists, what has the Nigerian government done to stop it?
Okay, what is going on in Nigeria is that, number one, I have never seen any action by our government here in Nigeria. They are not doing any action. It's like they are protecting Fulanis and Boko Haram in Nigeria. That is what I'm seeing in Nigeria. They are not protecting us because, as I'm talking to you right now, you know what is called Luga. Luga is to we have 36 states in Nigeria. So, but our government, what our government is doing now, they said that they will give this Fulani and Boko Haram a big land in all over the city, or every state will bring their own land. So they are trying to accommodate them for them to have their state and their city in all over Nigeria. So that's what they are planning. So what I'm saying is that our leaders, they are not doing anything, rather they are backing them. They are backing them because our leaders are the people that are sponsoring these Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. That's what is happening. They are the people that are sponsoring them. Because if they are not sponsoring them,
talking about the Ruger land grab, basically.
What do you say? What do you say?
The Ruger land grab that the Nigerian government put into place to allow these terrorists to gain land.
Yes, the Nigerian government, yes, the president of Nigeria and the other some politicians, they said that, okay, let's give Fulani and Boko Haram land all over Nigeria so that they will take over. That means that our politicians, that the people that are sponsoring for Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. Because if you are not sponsoring them, how would you say you want to give them land? You want them to take over some state and some city. They are the people that are sponsoring.
Let me ask you something. Are they supposed to buy this land, or they just get it for free from the government?
It's like for free. It's like for free because I said before that it's like our leaders have sold Nigeria. They have sold Nigeria. They have sold Nigeria. Yes.
Let me ask you one more thing. Are Christians allowed to get land for free in other areas of Nigeria? Or do they have to pay for it?
I'm not sure, but the thing is that they can pay because they have
exactly
money.
My point. The Christians have to buy their land and pay for it legally like everybody else, but the Nigerian government is setting it up to where the Fulani terrorists and Boko Haram don't have to pay for land. They can just get it for free from the Nigerian government. Is that what I'm understanding?
Yes. They want to give it for free. They want to give it for free. But if a state say no, we cannot give it for free, we need money, they will pay money. They have money to pay. So our Nigeria politicians, they are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. So they have not done anything to stop it. They are protecting them. They are protecting them. They are not doing anything.
Yes.
Every day by day. Christians has been killed in this country every day by day. In last 3 weeks in Kaduna, last 2 weeks in Borno. So they are doing silent killing, and our leaders, our politicians are keeping quiet. They don't want the world to know what is happening in Nigeria. That means because they are sponsoring those Fulani and Boko Haram in Nigeria, and Christians are suffering every day. Christians are suffering. And you cannot see all these things on CNN or BBC. You will not see it. So Christians in Nigeria are suffering, killing them, silent killing. We are dying in Nigeria, but they cannot come out and say it. Look at what happened to Enugu State. Enugu State on December or last 3 months. Fulani herdsmen came to a city, a village, butchering people, and the governor couldn't condemn it. Governor of Enugu State couldn't condemn it, stand up and condemn it. They are afraid. They are working together.
Yeah.
All these governors.
Because this needs to be condemned. The governors that wherever there's Christian killings happening in Nigeria, the governors of that state should stand up and condemn it.
They are not condemning it. They may just open their mouth and say, but they will not take action. All of them are condemning it. Both those politicians that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, we can come out publicly, say, oh, we condemn it, but secretly they are sponsoring them. They can just say it. They come, we say no for violence, but they will be the one that's sponsoring this virus that is going on in Nigeria. So,
are some of these governors, are they Christians, the ones that are not holding to account these Fulani terrorists and Nigerian or the Boko Haram terrorists?
Okay, some governors in Nigeria, they are Christians, some are not Christians. But the problem is that
not by action.
What do you say?
They're Christians by name, but not by action.
Yes. These people, like what Jesus said, not everyone that called me Lord, 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 Lord shall enter the kingdom of heaven. So these people, they are just Christian, but they are blood-sucking demons. Because I said before, Nigeria politicians, Nigeria government, Nigeria politicians, they are the people, they drink the blood of their citizens. These people are very wicked. They are very wicked. These people, I don't know the kind of heart they have. In a country, you were a governor, you were a politician, sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, killing innocent people that you say that you are luring, they are butchering them, killing them. You just sponsoring them secretly. That's the wickedness. So it is happening in Nigeria. So what is going on in Nigeria is that Nigerian politicians, they are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. That is why since 2019 to today, no solution. So
right.
no.
So let me ask you this. So since the issue started, what has Britain, which is the United Kingdom, and the United Nations done when you posted your video about stopping the killing of Christians by these Fulani terrorists and Boko Haram terrorists?
Like the Secretary General of United Nations came to Nigeria. Is it last year, 2020 or 2022? Since 2009, Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen has been killing Christians in Nigeria. Secretary General have never yet visited Nigeria. He just came to Nigeria and just talk, condemn it, and come back. We don't need some leaders of the world have condemned what Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen is doing in Nigeria. What we need is action. Yes. What we need in Nigeria now is action, not condemn. Many people have condemned it. What we need from the world leaders is action. Now, last 2 years or last 3 years, there was a meeting in America, in New York, United Nations, the headquarters. They had meeting there, and many leaders of the world went to the meeting, and even some Nigerians that are living in America came out to do peaceful protests, telling the United Nations they should come to Nigeria and rescue us, that genocide are going on in Nigeria. Do you know what happened? Nigeria politicians, the leaders of Nigeria pay some people money. They came that place to do otherwise. So that means our problem is our leaders in Nigeria here. They are the leaders. They are the people that are sponsoring this